Hi, my name is Dustin Balcom. I'm here at the Living Light Community Center. Today we're going to talk about how to safely remove mold from a bathroom. A lot of times when people are removing mold, they're concerned about both the chemicals that they're using and how those might affect their skin, the long-term health, but also about the mold itself and how to get rid of it safely. So we're going to talk about that, give you a few pointers and tips. Let's get started. We're removing the mold and mildew from the bathroom. It's important that you mix your bleach according to the recommendations on the actual bleach that you're using. For this particular brand of bleach, it's 2 tablespoons for 1 quart of water. So we've got our bleach mixed up here. What we're going to do is we're going to use this squirt bottle. We're going to apply it to the surface. Make sure you scrub the area thoroughly with a plastic bristle brush. You may need to apply more bleach. Remember, the liquid in the bottle actually helps keep the mold and mildew dust down so that you're not breathing it. It's really important that you don't scrub on it while it's dry. Once you've scrubbed it thoroughly, take a wet paper towel or a washcloth. Wet it first. Wipe the area down. You're wiping the area down for 2 reasons: to remove the mold or mildew, but also to remove the bleach from the surface. And that's how you safely remove mold and mildew from a bathroom. Okay, so today we learned how to safely remove mold from the bathroom. A couple things to keep in mind. Always make sure you're wearing the proper protective gear, so a mask. Make sure you're wearing chemical-resistant gloves. Keep in mind that mold, even though it might be slightly, you might be concerned about removing it, it's always better to get rid of it than to leave it there. So, Dustin with the Living Light Community Center, have a great day.